Okay, Carcalor. So, tá tú críoch leis an iMovie. Okay. Next step. Okay, so Iver Hain, we need to label this. Okay, so we need to, you're done. And this here, just click on this. Okay, so we can't have them going up my movie, this, that, and the other. So scríomh the Adam. So Adam O'Phelan. Okay. And M or B. M or B. Okay, Massionu wrong Vonaha. Lovely. Now, this is currently in a movie file and it's too big. So we want to export that as just a file, video file. Okay, so we go to share and then we go to save video. Okay, then you are presented with 3 or 4 options. Don't go of any of the bigger ones because it makes the file too big and you don't need it that big. So just go for a medium or even a small. Okay, so medium. Okay, so my battery is too low for sharing, so I need to plug that in. But when I do, it'll... Okay, so there you go. It's actually done it anyway. All right, that's now in my gallery and that's the file that you upload. Okay, Gura míle maith agat, slán.